Hello, and today I want to share with you guys this super moist carrot cake. It is worth making and trying. So definitely was a hit in my family, and it was gone really fast. So you know what that means. Okay, so for the ingredients, we're gonna need some eggs, sugar, oil, flour, baking soda, baking powder, some shredded carrots, and chopped walnuts. And this will be basically for the cake batter that we'll be making. And so first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna beat our eggs with sugar on high for about 3 minutes. And it's better to have your cakes your eggs at room temperature, just because it's always better. And beat it until it's nice and stiff, as you can see. Now reducing your speed to medium, we're gonna slowly add the oil. So as you can see, you slowly pour in the oil while it's mixing, and then just let it combine all the way, and then we're gonna stop and put in the next ingredient. So here it is. Now we're gonna put in our baking soda, our baking powder, and our flour. And we're just gonna mix that gently on low speed until it's all combined. And you don't want to over mix it, just so your cake batter will stay good. Here I've shredded some carrots on a larger shredder, and here's some walnuts, chop it up. Doesn't really matter if you like them more chunky or not. Better to chop it up. And then you just want to put in the cake batter and mix it until it's combined. And try not to overdo it. Now what we're going to do is get some parchment paper and cut it out just on 2 cake pans, just to do the bottom. You don't have to do the sides. And butter your parchment paper, and then pour in equally amount on your 8-9 inch round cake pans. And we're gonna put this to bake on 350 for about 30 to 35 minutes. And it does depend on your oven, so you do check. If your toothpick comes out clean, then it's done. And here it is. Now we took it out of the oven, let it cool completely before doing anything to it. And with your serrated knife, you want to slice the cakes. And let's start on the cream. For the cream, we're gonna need some cream cheese, some butter, powdered sugar, and some chopped walnuts for decoration. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna whisk our butter, room temperature butter with powdered sugar, for about 3 minutes, starting on low because you don't want to have your powdered sugar all over your kitchen. And just slowly mix it up until you get on high speed. And then keeping it on high speed, we're gonna put chunks of cream cheese piece by piece while the mixer is on. So you just want to put little by little, and until you put in all your cream cheese. And then scrape the sides, and voila, you got this nice cream. And then is the fun part. After you slice your cakes, put one of your cakes on your cake pan, on your, whatever cake stand you have, and then put your cream. Then put the next layer of your cake and just keep stacking until you get to the top. And use your top layer of the cake, the most flattest side, just because it'll be easier with spreading the cake. And there you are. Just use up all your cream, be very generous, and then just decorate your cake with your chopped walnuts. And there you have it. Make sure you refrigerate the cake, all the cakes that you make, for best quality. I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe, and thank you so much for that. And I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.